Hello everybody. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another exit signage and emergency lighting tour that I have in my house. So I've actually purchased two additional exit combo units. Um, these are the commercial electric variants, actually no, commercial electric models that are sold from Home Depot. I got them on eBay for around $50 as these are sold 60 for each and I got two of them for $50, so I would say that's a pretty good deal. So we're gonna be doing a tour of where I've installed them. So we've got an additional commercial electric exit sign combo unit here. Originally comes in red. I switched it over to green because I think green is a better color than red in terms of exit signage. And I've actually used command strips to hold the exit sign up. Now, the exit sign, I also have one of these upstairs, and I'll get to the issue with those things when I get there. So I wired this up to an extension cord because typically in commercial applications you would hardwire this into the building's electrical system. But what I did was I went out and bought one of these extension cords. Cut this connector part off. I stripped the wires and then I wired it into the sign. So you'll notice that the cable is going down here through the painting, exits out, plugs into another extension cord, and then plugs right into the wall jack right there. Heading over to here, I have a emergency light in the storage closet downstairs. This used to be on the shelf, the cabinet in the kitchen, but I've moved that into the storage closet to illuminate the storage area during a blackout because we have emergency lighting heads on this one now. One is pointed in this area for the front door area to light up the exit. The other is pointed in the downstairs area. So it lights up part of the living room, lights up mainly this area, and then into the dining area and kitchen. Now over here, we have a emergency light. This is also a commercial electric model. It is pretty good. I like the build quality on these commercial electric ones because they last pretty long. I believe I've had this for around a year now. Still works pretty good. I like it. And this one is also wired up to an extension cord and plugs into the wall jack right there. Okay, so now we're gonna move outside into the garage. Right. So over here we have another commercial electric exit. No, not exit. Emergency light. Let's see if we can align that. Okay. This one is also wired up into an extension cord plugged into a wall jack here. Light it up. Lights up. Lights up the garage pretty well. I'd say it does a pretty good job of that. So we're gonna head right back inside now. Alright, so now heading upstairs, we're gonna check out the other exit signs we have. So at the end of the stairs, you can see we have a floor level exit sign. This is also another commercial electric exit sign. It comes in black this time, green lettering. And then that is also wired into the extension cord right here. As you can see, goes in through the HVAC unit, runs right up into this cabinet where it plugs into another extension cord right up here, which then plugs into a wall jack in the cabinet. And then right above us, we have another exit sign combo unit from Commercial Electric. Now, here's the kicker with this sign. So this sign actually fell off from the command strip mount. I don't drill. I just use command strip. So I went to Target and got a larger, got the X large version of command strips because I only had the normal large version. And now I think it's secure, but when it fell down, it's very, I don't know if you guys could see it, but right above that test button and at the place and at the mount where for the emergency light head, the housing is cracked and it separates right there. So yeah, it's not really a big deal because when the faceplate is on, the housing is secured, but when it's off, the housing can like, is like, um, you can like bend, pull it apart, you know? I think I did post a YouTube short on that. But yeah, this one is also an emergency an exit sign and emergency light combo. So we have one head pointing at this laundry area with the bathroom and the bathroom door and the guest door. So I'll point to this general area, and then the other head points in this area as well. So now we're going to be demonstrating a power outage by going into emergency mode. All right, so we're now in emergency mode. We're downstairs, so we can see that the exit sign is lighting up this area. Let me turn up this light. It's lighting up this area very well. Up here. It's lighting up this area very well. These are LED signs, by the way. We have our emergency light in the storage closet, lighting up this area very well as well, in case we need to pull things out. Living room area, pretty illuminated, and then same for the kitchen area. Very nice. Let's switch the lights back on, and then we're gonna check out the downstairs. The upstairs area. So that is emergency mode for the downstairs area. Let's check out the upstairs one now. Alright, so here's the upstairs during emergency mode. We have our exit sign that is on emergency mode, battery backup, and our combo unit is on emergency mode as well. So this area is lit up pretty well. If you open that door, that bedroom gets lit up pretty nicely. And then this area also gets lit up pretty nicely, such as the master bedroom and my room. Unfortunately, the office doesn't really get any light on the, but it does get lit up a bit when the light bounces off this area. But yeah, I really like this new setup as the hallway is actually properly illuminated as opposed to back then where it had the emergency light up there. It wouldn't light up this area, just that area, this area. So yeah, it's better to have the emergency lighting right in that area. So yep, I'm gonna switch it back over to normal mode. I'm plugging in the circuit and closing the cabinet. So yeah, that is a broad overview of my exit signage and emergency lighting setup. So if you have any questions or comments about it, feel free to let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching.